Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Let's start video. Question: What was the real name of Shajahan? Option A Salim, Option B Khurram, Option C Khusru, Option D Bahadur Shah. Answer B Khurram. Question: Which of the following rulers built the Bibi Ka Maqbara? Option A Akbar, Option B Jahangir, Option C Babur, Option D Prince Azam Shah. Answer D Prince Azam Shah. Question: When was the Battle of Haldighati fought? Option A 18 June 1576, Option B 19 February 1576, Option C 20 March 1577, Option D 21 April 1577. Answer A 18 June 1576. Question: Which of the following were the first Englishmen to visit Akbar's court? Option A Sir Thomas Roe in 1615, Option B Captain Hawkins in 1608, Option C Ralph Fitch in 1585, Option D Nicolo Manucci in 1622. Answer C Ralph Fitch in 1585. Question: Who wrote Akbarnama? Option A Tansen, Option B Abul Fazl, Option C Raja Man Singh, Option D Raja Todarmal. Answer B Abul Fazl. Question: What was the real name of Jahangir? Option A Khusru, Option B Bahar Khan, Option C Farid, Option D Salim. Answer D Salim. Question: Who among the following Poland travelers visited India during the reign of Jahangir? Option A Nicolo Manucci, Option B Francisco Pelsart, Option C Father Anthony Montserrat, Option D Peter Mundi. Answer B Francisco Pelsart. Question: In which year Mohenjodaro was discovered? Option A 1922, Option B 1933, Option C 1944, Option D 1955. Answer A 1922. Question: How many granaries are found in Harappa? Option A 4 granaries, Option B 12 granaries, Option C 8 granaries, Option D 6 granaries. Answer D 6 granaries. Question: What we call this style if we return from right to left in the first line and then left to right in the second line? Option A Sinistro dextral, Option B Vustrophidan, Option C bibliography, Option D Virana writing. Answer V Vustrophidan. Question: When was the Battle of Salher fought? Option A 1672, Option B 1682, Option C 1692, Option D 1702. Answer A 1672. Question: Where did the Portuguese establish their first factory in India? Option A Surat in 1560 AD, Option B Chennai in 1618, Option C Calicut in 1500 AD, Option D Masulipattanam in 1668. Answer C Calicut in 1500 AD. Question: Where did the French establish their first factory in India? Option A Surat in 1668, Option B Cochin in 1523, Option C Kannanur in 1713, Option D Bantam in 1518. Answer A Surat in 1668. Question: When was the Battle of Vadera fought? Option A 12 January 1729, Option B 10 March 1739, Option C 6 June 1749, Option D 1 November 1759. Answer D. 1 November 1759. Question. When was the Treaty of Allahabad signed? Option A. 4 December 1775. Option B. 12 August 1765. Option C. 8 April 1755. Option D. 2 October 1745. Answer B. 12 August 1765. Question. At which place the British East India Company established their first factory in India? Option A. Surat in 1608. Option B. Calicut in 1614. Option C. Khananur in 1568. Option D. Cochin in 1812. Answer A. Surat in 1608. Question. When was the Treaty of Alinagar signed? Option A. 1727. Option B. 1737. Option C. 1747. Option D. 1757. Answer D. 1757. Thanks for watching this video and please like, subscribe and share this video.